Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. Google Meet now offers the ability to stream group video calls in full HD 1080 pixels on the web for meetings with 3 or more participants. This feature is currently available exclusively for Google Workspace subscribers. Users with 1080 pixels cameras can enable the higher resolution option before joining a meeting, or they can manage it via the settings menu. Full HD streaming is available when one or more participants are pinning the 1080 pixels enabled user and the screen is large enough to display the 1080 pixels video feed. Google Meet will automatically adjust the resolution if there are bandwidth constraints during the call. The ability to view video meetings in full HD is accessible to Google Workspace customers with various subscription plans including Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Essentials, Enterprise Standard, Enterprise Starter, Enterprise Plus, Education Plus, Teaching and Learning Upgrade, and Workspace individual subscribers. Next we have Amazon has issued a warning to Kindle users about changes taking effect on 1st November 2023. The change will discontinue support for sending MOBI files through the Send to Kindle feature. Users who utilize the Send to Kindle feature to send MOBI files via email or Kindle apps on iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac will be affected by this change. Amazon explains that MOBI is an older file format lacking support for the latest Kindle features, and they are transitioning to modern formats that ensure prolonged use of Kindle ebooks. Users are advised to resend their files in compatible formats like EPUB, which will continue to work through the Send to Kindle for email feature. Amazon ensures that existing content stored in MOBI formats on Kindle will not be impacted or removed due to this change. A survey conducted by Local Circles has uncovered that many Indian internet users are contemplating switching to a new internet service provider ISP due to frequent service disruptions. The survey encompassed 303 districts across India and revealed that 79% of users experienced internet issues at least once a month or more, with 21% facing problems more than 3 times a month. The predominant issue faced by 56% of respondents was not receiving the promised internet speed and encountering service disruption problems. The survey further disclosed that 46% of users reported it took 24 hours for their ISP to resolve their issues, while 2% indicated it took more than 7 days. Among 12,522 responses, 70% of consumers expressed their willingness to switch to another ISP for improved service quality, reliability, or competitive pricing. Adobe has introduced Project FastFill, a generative fill feature for video editing, allowing editors to remove objects from a video or change backgrounds as easily as they would with a still image using a simple text prompt. This feature is designed to work in complex scenes with changing lighting conditions. Adobe is known for its comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools across video editing software including Adobe Premiere Pro and competitors like DaVinci Resolve. In addition to Project FastFill, Adobe is actively working on other AI-centric projects like Project Draw and Delight, Project Posable, and Project Stardust. Project FastFill is expected to be integrated into Adobe's video editing tool in the near future. Microsoft has concluded the Windows 7 to Windows 11 upgrade pipeline, enabling users with Windows 7 and Windows 8 keys to access Windows 11 for free by first upgrading through Windows 10. The free upgrade program was initially introduced in 2015 with the release of Windows 10, allowing users to update their software. However, the free upgrade program has now been discontinued and support for Windows 10 will end on 14 October 2025 as Microsoft plans to discontinue all software support for the older operating system. Windows 10 users can still upgrade to Windows 11 for free, but some users may be hesitant to adopt Windows 11 due to certain features including the integration of AI chatbot throughout the OS. While rumor of a new version of Microsoft's OS in 2024 are circulating, no concrete information is available, leaving the details of the next Windows version uncertain. Next we have Google is introducing passkeys as the default login method for personal accounts, aiming for a passwordless yet secure alternative. Passkeys allow users to utilize biometric authentication on their device and are designed to be resistant to phishing attempts. A new skip password when possible option will prompt users to create a passkey for future logins, encouraging the elimination of traditional passwords. Google envisions a future where passwords are obsolete, and this move represents a step towards achieving that vision. The global true wireless stereo market has undergone a significant shift in the first half of 2023, with affordable earbuds priced under $50 experiencing a 15% increase in sales. This trend is particularly appealing in emerging markets where budget-friendly options are sought after. Leading brands like Apple, Samsung, and Sony have seen a decline in sales due to a lack of new models in their portfolios. In contrast, local brands such as Bolt Audio and Noise have thrived in regions like India, the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. Chinese brand Zhang Cribbing has also experienced a substantial uptick in sales. While the TWS market is predicted to grow by 2% in 2023, the profit margin from earbud sales is expected to decrease by 3%. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह,